To insert a PDF into another PDF on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open My Files app and then navigate to the folder where the PDF file is in. Tap the PDF file to open it. Tap edit icon. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap insert. Select PDF. And then navigate to the folder where the PDF you like to insert it in. Select the PDF file. And then tap done button. Tap save to save the change. By doing this, the selected PDF file will be added into the previous PDF file and they will be added after the last page. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.